This brand is made in China for Sunbeam Products Incorporated and is available through their website, on Amazon, or at Walmart, Target, and Best Buy. The True HEPA model is a basic 3-stage air purifier with a carbon filter for odors and a True HEPA filter. They have 3 fan speeds and a night light with a coverage area of 155 square feet and a 100 CADR delivery rating. The True HEPA 360 UV model has 6 stages of filtration with an ionizer and a UV light. They have a relatively small 155 square feet coverage area with a 113 CFM delivery rate, but they are pretty quiet with a 59 decibel noise rating on high, which is still less than normal adult conversation. They have a night mode to dim the light and shift to slow speed for quieter operation and are backed by a very good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.